Hello everyone. Students, I hope you all are healthy and happy at your home. Children, we have learned about the sun, moon, stars and earth in lesson number 11. Today we are going to revise this lesson. Let's begin then. Children, we have learned about the sun. We learned that the sun is brightest object in the sky. Do you know why? Correct, because it's a huge ball of fire. And because it's a ball of fire, it gives us heat. The sun also gives us light to see things around us. And plants use this sunlight to make food. Even if sun is a huge ball of fire, it looks smaller because it is very far away from the earth. In this picture you can see that sun is very far away, so it looks smaller. Each and everything on the earth gets sunlight and heat from the sun. Do you know, children, if there is no sun, what would have happened? Yes, without the sun, earth would be very cold and dark. There would be no living things on the earth because without sunlight and heat, we cannot live on the earth. There would be no life possible on the earth without the sun. Children, like sun, there are many things which we see in the sky. Can anyone tell me what are these things? Yes, like sun, we can see stars, moon in the sky. Yes, so the stars are also huge balls of fire. The sun is also star. It is the star closest to the earth. So, sun looks little bit bigger than other stars. That is why it is brighter than the other stars. Yes, and we see many other stars at night. They look tiny because they are very far away from our earth. These stars are there in the sky during the day too. But do you know why we cannot see them during the daytime? Because during the day there is a bright sunlight, and because of this bright sunlight it is not possible for us to see these stars during the daytime. So we can see the stars and moon only at night. So these are the points which we have learnt about the sun and the stars. You can read these all the points. After the sun, children, we learned some facts about the sun. Now we are going to learn some facts about the moon. Let's see then. The moon is a big ball of rock. It is much smaller than the sun and the earth. It keeps on rotating around the earth and it's closer to us than the sun. It is nearest neighbor in the sky. Do you know, children? The moon has no light of its own. Then how does it shines? It shines because light from the sun falls on it. You can see in this picture. And when sunlight falls on the moon reflects that light, and because of that reflection of light we can see the moon. You must have seen, children, that sometimes the moon looks like a round ball and sometimes it looks smaller. This depends on how the sunlight falls on it, because we can see the only part of the moon which gets the sunlight. So, you must have observed that we can see the moon in different sizes and shapes. But is it really changing? No, the shape of the moon doesn't change. But we can see the part of the moon only which is getting the sunlight. Yes, so these are the phases of the moon which we can see in the sky. So these were some important facts about the moon. In the next video, we are going to learn about the earth. Till then, you can watch this video again and again to revise the concepts. Till then, thank you and goodbye.